Hi everyone, how are you? It's very important to know your emails where are landing before you send your email marketing campaign. You need to know if this email will land in inbox, in promotions, or in spam. So, how to know this? Let's see in this lecture. So today I want to show you a very important tip before you send your email marketing campaigns or even your cold emails or whatever email you are sending. You can see here in my Gmail account we have the primary inbox, we have the social and the promotions, and we have, as you know, the spam folder here. So before you send your email, you need to know where it's landing. Because as you know, if your email is not landing in the primary folder here, the user will not get a notification on his mobile or wherever he is using his email. If it's in the social or promotions, it's also in the inbox, but it will be marked as a promotion. So the user needs to go to this folder to see your email, and so on. So it's very important, especially if you are warming up your IP address with a new SMTP server. If you are sending cold emails, it's really very essential to ensure that your email is landing in the primary inbox so the user can see your email. How to do this? It's really super easy. We have here a website called gmas.co. In the products here, we have a free tool from this website called Inbox, Spam, or Promotions. Let's open it, and you will see here it will give you a lot of emails to send to. Simply copy these receivers here and go to your email and let's compose a new message. For sure, if you are using a marketing software like Mailwizz, Mailster, or whatever, you can just send the message from that software or from your own SMTP server as I showed you in other videos. But for now, I'm using a simple message in Gmail. So just in the recipients, paste those recipients and enter your subject line. Let's say I am sending a message about email marketing course, whatever it is. And here I will paste a simple message in my body. Very simple. Now let's click on send. Now we sent our message. Then you go back to this tool here and you can search for your address or your domain or whatever. You can see here I received my email and they are all in the primary inbox. You can see it's all green here in the primary inbox from HEDK. This is my email, and you can see here one email only got it in spam. So in general, my email is landing in the inbox. It's very important to test this before you send any email. As I told you, especially in warming up your IP address or in sending cold emails. What if your email is landing in spam? Then you need to go and test your SMTP server. I think you know Mail Tester. You can go and send a temporary email and check your sending score. Be sure to get 10 over 10, not 9 over 10 or 9.5. It's really easy to get 10 over 10, as I explained in my Building Your Own SMTP Server course. You can see when you configure DKIM, SPF, or DNS and warming up your IP, you will get in the inbox for sure. So that's it. This is the tip of this day. Please be sure to test if your email is landing in inbox or in spam before you send a full campaign. This will help you understand and predict how your emails will work in Gmail before you send them.